Hello everyone, now we continue our lesson. Lesson 5. Hello everyone, today my friend Marsha is at her friend's house. She say it is beautiful. I want to see this house. Here we are. Marsha, I am in the kitchen. It is a beautiful kitchen. It is beautiful. We cook in the kitchen. I eat in the kitchen. We relax in the living room. I relax in the living rooms. Masha, let's go upstairs. Anna, where are you? Masha, I am in the bathroom. I was in the bathroom. I am in the bathroom. We sleep in the bedroom. I sleep in the bedroom.